covering the best rivalry in college football. This is the Iron Bowl Hour.
Really, it's as simple as that. And if you let crap like that distract you, then it hurts you. So I don't think we'll have any problem with that.
This sort of thing was coming. They looked like they lined up well. Here's Schwartz, fastest player in the country, and a touchdown. He scores for the second week in a row. A dominant start by the Auburn Tigers. They know that's coming. They just can't stop it. They faked it, and it's Whitlow straight ahead for the Auburn touchdown.
Seconds will tick away from this one tonight. Auburn jumped out, scored touchdowns on its first 5 drives tonight, and never looked back. And the Tigers get to 5-0 on the season, 2-0 in Southeastern Conference play. 56-23 win tonight against Mississippi State.
I always say that if you win and don't play well, that's not really a good thing. That's something our team needs to understand and our team needs to know so that, we can improve. I think, that people have to have, the disposition that they want to go out and try to improve this week. And we didn't obviously play a complete game. We got exposed in some areas where we didn't play very well. And, we got to get those things fixed and we got to play better.
Snap. Smith got it. Touchdown. My goodness. Number 5. And a new single game yardage record. A 28-yard score. Matt Brown has it blocked. In the air. On the ground. Touchdown, Alabama. That's who blocked it. Alea Cajo blocked it, and he scored it.
Tua waits in the shotgun. Here's Judy in motion, goes behind Tua and Najee. Now Tua looks right, nothing there, throws long, end zone, Devontae, touchdown, Alabama! Devontae Smith, what a day he is having, a 33-yard masterful reception from Tua Tagovailoa, and Alabama pads their lead.
And Alabama, Nick Saban's team goes to 5-0.
And that should do it. I believe that will do it. A 38-13 victory by the Utes. They snap a 4-game losing streak against the Washington State Cougars. First win versus the Cougars since 2012.
Difficult to say because you saw a pretty tough football team play a very soft football team. And it's difficult to say how tough Utah is because they had token resistance on both sides of the ball for us. Well, we're a very soft team. We get a lot of good press. We like to read it a lot. We like to pat ourselves on the back, and if we get any resistance, we fold. And what's amazing about this is most of these guys were on the same team last year that was a tough team. Last year's team was a tough team for us. And we got nearly the same guys, and now all of a sudden they're not tough. They're fat, dumb, and happy and entitled. So